Yeah, this video is presented today. The name of my video and my company is called Alchemy AI 33, and my business slogan is "Business on the Beach," because I'm living in the business. I'm doing my business, but I'm living on the beach, and I just feel that a great thing to reflect from how you can work from home, and also that's my slogan original, and I'm calling it my new YouTube channel is Business on the Beach. Now, what we're discussing today is about AI tokens, and with AI tokens, there is a lot of layers that people do not understand or have no idea what's going on. So, me being an expert AI guy and also a numerologist and also an alchemist, I use AI tools to describe, because that was my what I did as a profession. Now on to this. If you look at the AI tokens, you look at this blog here that I made too. This will give you a whole breakdown of what I meant by it. If you go here and look at Medium blog, you'll be able to see what I mean by it right there. You can find that content there. Okay, if you see I'm ranked number 1 with this, and you see also if you change platforms, if you go to Google, I'm ranked number 1 there also, and it's also in the AI snippet as you see. So I know how to rank with AI snippets too, because it's number 1 with the snippets. Then also, if you go to the platform that I use every day, here, and you type it in, and there it go, and you see it's a normal type in, and this is live to show you. Here we go. Look at this. This is my stuff up here, and then here I am number 1 again. Also, I'm number 2. Also, I am number 2, 3. Oh, there I am. I'm number 5, number 6. So you see, I'm multiple. There I am again, beginner. I'm ranking like 6, 7 times for this keyword on one page, which nobody can show you how to do that either. So on to this subject right here. Okay, if you look at typing minds, this is a what we call an all-in-one platform. You don't need ChatGPT, you don't need Gemini, you don't need Claude Perplexity. Those are all old-time formats and contribution. If you look at it here, you click to the left, you see all. When you get this type of model, you can get all the models in one, and you pay one price. Look at all these models. They clicked on. You have the Open AI. You have the others. Look at all these models you get, and you're only paying one price. Look at this. You get 346 AIs, even Claude. Okay, let's show you Claude. See it? There's Claude. Gemini. Hit it. There's Gemini. All the Geminis. Look, nano banana, everything. Then you get the old models that nobody talks about. The Elon Musk deep. Here we go. Deep Seek. Look at that. There you go. Deep Seek. Also for any model you thinking about, even the Llama model. I mean, look at this. LLAMA. Llama. Look, you got all these Llama. Look at all these models. So basically, you are being tricked to thinking that you should pay for one model when you could pay for all the models for $20. I'll explain that later. If you want to know, comment in the video, show me how, and I'll give you the magic key to all this type of things. So what I'm proving now with this video is that it's about tokens. And most people do not understand how tokens work. And if you look at tokens, when you type in something, everything costs. And if you look up here, I got a token. Even though you're paying a monthly cost, you still got to pay for credits and token. So basically, it's telling me I have $9.41 left in my tokens, as you see here. What's going on is that the trick of this is everybody think that you pay $20 to ChatGPT or Claude or Perplexity. No, you do not. When you start to use it like I do for your business, everything, the price goes up. That's the trick. There's no such platform that's going to give you $20 and you're going to be able to sit there day in and day night and write chats, write blog information, ask questions, and use it all day long. That's the trick. So they tell everybody everything costs $20, which is a illusion. It costs up to $100 when you start using them every day. But there is a workaround around it. If you want to know how to get actually all the models under one roof for $20, and it does not change, you don't got to pay for credits, everything, say, comment, show me. In the comments, say show me, and I will make a video on that exclusively just for that. So basically, tokens are and credits are what's in the back end of all these different channels. As you see here, this one is called Typing Mind. As you see here, and you see I built my own profile. You can build your own profile, and it looks and does everything that you say according to what you built. So if you look here, and here's a model, and then I'm gonna show you another model I had right here. Where's that model? Okay, let me see. I had another model. Oh, we're gonna go here, and it's called. Look at this model here. It's called POE. POE. I had this one too. Look at this. Look at all the stuff you can do with these different models. I went away from this one because the same thing. I had problems with. I built my own chat. As you see here, this is my own profile. And when you go into it, I start typing messages and it would say it's too long. I'm going to give you an example. Here we go. Hey, tell me what's going on with the things in the new world when they're talking about the 36-year cycle. Tell me what's going on. So you see it put it in there, and then when I hit this, it's going to give me a response. There you go. See, look at that. So the response you're seeing that is writing for me here is giving me, this response is not generic. They're taking all the data and knowledge base I put in there. I put over 100 different documents in here. So when you see my results, it's actually me. It's not them giving you some AI, or everybody thinks AI genetic. AI is not generic. You have to understand, AI had zero data from day one. People were putting their chats in there, putting their responses, and giving questions. So that's why AI was free all last year, because they didn't have a database. So AI is not artificial intelligence. Wrong. It's information database to a super quantum computer. So basically it had no information. So what it did is it let you use it for free so it can collect enough data to let you understand how it operates and to build a backbone and a foundation. So AI is actually the whole community or the whole world putting information in AI to build it. So we built it from our content and our information that we put in the AI. It is not something that came in a machine and it's just telling you what to do. No, no, no. They didn't have no data. So that's the truth of AI. Now, as you look at this, when we talk about tokens, they can become really expensive. And they have something what you call here. Let's go to this video. Let's go to this information again. It's called OpenAI. Let's go here. And if you it should come up pretty soon. There we go. See, look, I have $4.60 left in this balance. I only paid. You can pay as minimum of $10. $5 ain't gonna help you. I'll put $10 in it. But if you notice, this token is where when you buy these type of tools and you pay for these credits, this is where all the platforms, ChatGPT, everywhere, they pull from this OpenAI. They pay them and then they control you. But this is my own OpenAI where I pay for my own integration, which saves you a lot of money too. I'll explain that in another video if you want to see it. If you want to see it, say also show me the AI, show me the APIs, and I'll do that too. Now, this video is made on purpose to teach people that you have to understand how the token field work and what credit and tokens actually are. So now, if we look at it here, we have another one that I use, but I can't get into now because I actually canceled it. So it's called Mammoth. This is also one that you can get all. If you see here, you can get everything. Look at this right on the front page: Claude, GPT, Gemini, Mistral, Grok. You got all of them right there, and you can also get all the models. But for this $10, you will use it for 3 days and you'll run out of tokens. So I'm showing you how that you have these options, but you got to understand the platform and the landfill that you're dealing with. So basically, if you want me to make a video explaining to you exactly how to use these tokens, just say show me how, and I will make a video step by step exactly how these go. Now, if you look at these tokens here, they are a real myth, because if you look at here, let's go back to Typing Mind. They're not doing it now. Oh, there we go. See, look at this. I got them. I showed you. Look at this. It says the model has reached its maximum output tokens or context limit. See what I mean? And watch this. I barely use this model, but because my money is low, I'm gonna do another command. How how to build a true app with AI. It might do it because I ain't used it in a while, but just because I'm just starting, so it might give me a command. Okay, it gave me one. Oh no, it didn't. See what I'm saying? See, look at this. I just started a new day, and you look at my tokens. It said I only got 32 cent. See what I'm saying? And look here, it won't even respond anymore. Look at this, and look at this. It won't even respond anymore. And that's my profile, because what it's doing is it's pulling this data from my whole knowledge base, and they adding that into the prompt. So when it adds that into the prompt, it's counting that as data, even though it's supposed to be a knowledge base. So you'll be very tricky. But I have found the gold man to all of this. If you want to know what the gold man to all of this is, type in the comment section, show me the real AI model. And when you type in show me the real AI model, I will show you the exact model I'm using today that nullifies all these disconnect on building your system and using AI models. People for for boomers, beginners, and seniors. Excuse me, I had a beep problem there. But if we're talking about boomers, beginners, and seniors, or anybody that wants to learn AI, you have to understand that you're wasting your money by picking one, by using ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude or Perplexity, when you can have all the models on one. They're not telling you that because those other models want to make no money. So I hope you enjoyed this little presentation. I just want to give you an opening video. Let me know what you're thinking about it, because this is my first video as I'm starting doing this thing. So let me know what you want to hear from me and what you're interested in, and I'll start to build out this content in this channel from that. Thank you for paying attention.